Alright guys, folks, today we are going to be looking at something very special, guys. We are going to be unboxing this Toolkit. We are going to be unboxing this tool set. Actually, we are going to be unboxing this. I hope that you guys can see it well, and let me bring it closer to the camera. This is Omega networking Toolkit, and the model number is actually 631500. This is the model number. So guys, actually today we are going to be unboxing this networking Toolkit. Guys, we're going to be finding out what are those things that are in it and what those things are actually used for. We're going to be finding that. So guys, without further ado, please let us get into it. But before then, do not forget to subscribe. Guys, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe guys. Subscribe, please. So guys, this is our tools. Actually it came in a plastic, but the plastic was somehow bad up, so we got it out of the plastic, guys. Okay, all right, as you can see here, you have a zip for opening, and two zip. That means the opening process is going to go both sides. So we're going to carry one end at the other side and one end at the other. Good. So, oh wow, guys, this is it. As you can see, this is it. The unboxing of this, guys. Wow, this is it. Okay, so guys, actually we are going to do the unboxing, and we're going to be explaining everything that is in here. We're going to actually be explaining everything that is in here, guys. So guys, as you can see, I'm going to take them out one at a time and explain them. So guys, let me get this down. Okay, good. So guys, firstly, what we're going to be discussing on this is that in this little pack up here, as you can see here, we have our network cable tester here. This is how the networking actually. Here we have our network cable tester here, the both of them you see in here in this plastic. They are all network cable tester, and the tester here from the reading on it here is only for RJ11 and that RJ45. That is registered jacks 45 and registered jack 11. And in here we have a lot of registered jacks in here. Okay, a lot of registered jacks in here. And this is a coda battery for this cable tester. The cable tester actually use a coda battery. And this here, it is our cramping plier. It is our cramping plier. And this here is our push down tools. And this here is also a cutting or a snipping plier that we use for wire, to cut wire. Okay, and this is also a push down tools too, but this is of a bigger size than this, but both of them can serve the same purpose, but this is a little different from this. So guys, we're going to take everything out one at a time and discuss them. Okay guys, firstly we're going to take our RJ45. Let me get some out here. There are many actually. This two set come with more RJ45 actually. There are a lot of RJ45 in here. Let me get the RJ45 out so that you guys can see how RJ45 really looks like. Okay guys, I hope I can bring this closer to the camera so you guys can see it. This is RJ45 actually. This actually RJ45. Okay, so now guys, this RJ45 here have couples at the edge here. It have couples at the edge, actually couples at the edge here. So whenever you about to cramp a cable, or you're about to stuck a cable in here, after getting the cable color configurations, after configuring the cable, because this is actually used for twisted pair, shaded twisted pair, and that are unshaded twisted pair cable. Actually, this is actually being used for that. So after configuring the color, and then you're going to put the cable into this identical loop that you see here, into the identical loop that you see here. You're going to put it into it, and after inserting it into it, making sure that the copper here are all well showing on it, and then you're going to use your cramping tools to cramp it. Actually, this is RJ45, and in this networking tools set here, it comes with a lot of RJ45. As you can see, this is just a few of them that is actually in my hand. There are a lot of them in today's, guys. So next we are going to be looking at our cramping tools, because when we were discussing the RJ45, we were discussing the cramping plier also. So guys, this is our cramping plier. Let me get it out. Good. This is our cramping plier. Actually, guys, this is our cramping plier. As you can see here, this cramping plier here have various entrance of cramping. Okay, we have area to cramp 8 pins, as you can see here, 8 pins jack, register jacks. We have area to cramp 4-pin register jacks, and we have area to cramp 6-pin register jacks. So guys, next here we have where you see on the cramper the both blades here. The both blades here is actually being used for getting the wire P. Actually, if you have seen twisted pair cable, they have the shaded and unshaded. Actually, the unshaded, you have to get the foil coating from on it, and then so as you can P it. So in doing that, you're going to put the cable in between here, bring your cramper close to it, and then turn it. Oh God, I hope I didn't cut my finger. Okay, now you're going to put it here and turn it, and make sure that this knife here is actually getting on it the right way. So if the knife gets on it the right way, trust me, after that you're going to remove the coat from the cable, from the twisted pair cable. You're going to remove the coat from that. So guys, this is our cramping plier. This is cramping plier. It is being used to cramp cable. It's being used to cramp cable. And on this we have 3 different pins that we can cramp here. Actually, we have 8 pins, 4 pins, and that are 6 pins. So guys, this is our cramping plier. Next, we are going to be looking at our cable tester. We are going to be looking at our cable tester. Okay, I'm going to bring the cable tester alongside with the battery actually. So guys, this is a cable tester. This is a cable tester actually. And this battery here is actually a Kodak battery. Not all cable testers use Kodak battery actually. Some cable testers use a finger size battery. And those finger size battery probably might be from different battery company. It's not only specified or being specific with a Kodak battery actually. So now we're going to get it out of the plastic. Oh wow, good. Okay, also okay, there, this Toolkit is very nice. You see they have a little manual here, but we're going to cover the little manual in few seconds, guys. Actually, good. So now here is our cable tester. Actually, the cable tester here, as you can see, we have RJ11 and that of RJ45 here. RJ11 and RJ45. So now the cable tester is able to test RJ11 cable and that of RJ45 cable. So now here we have light, the lighting system here and the lighting system here. The lighting system we found on the both here, they are actually a lighting system that we use when we are configuring or coloring, using the color to configure the twisted pair cable, if it is a straight through cable or a crossover cable. So whenever you are testing the cable, the light here can make you understand if that identical cable is a straight through cable or a crossover cable actually, because the light here going to work in line per the configuration of that cable. So now we have two different stuff here. This is actually being used to hold the cable on the other end, and this is being used to hold the cable on the other end. But this here is actually the cable tester, and this here is actually the remote of the tester. This is the remote of the tester, and this is the cable tester. So guys, as you can see up here, we have space for inserting the RJ45, and we have space here also for inserting our RJ11. So now, if you check on the tester, on the cable tester, you'll find that they have the both port up here, the both ports. So now, guys, this is the little switch we have here for turning this on and off. But guys, let me put the battery in it so you can see how this look like. But actually, if you want to know how to test cable on this, we are not doing it in this tutorial. You can check the description below. We have tutorial on how to test cable using the cable tester actually, guys. Okay, I've inserted the battery into it already. Good. Going to close it out. Good. And turn it on. As you can see, the green light here, which is the power light, is on, but there is no cable, so the light in the vertical line here, in the vertical order, won't be on because there is no cable for it to test the cable and know. So guys, after cramping a cable, you use the cable tester to actually test the cable to know if a cable is working fine actually, guys. And you also use the cable tester to know, to search within a huge network to know which line is actually having a fault. You use this to test the cable also. So guys, next we are going to be looking at our push down tools. Let me get this battery out. Okay, we are going to be looking at our push down tools. What the push down tools is actually being used for. Okay guys, this is it. Okay, a lot of time we think at time and we try wondering how actually some things are actually being mounted on the motherboard. You see these little tools here in my hand? The tools here is actually a push down tools. It have a red label, red rubber at the mouth here, at the edge here. But I'm going to get the red rubber out. Cool. Because the tool is very sharp. That's the reason they have a red label on the top of it. Actually, because it is very sharp. It can hurt you instantly. You can get caught by it instantly. Okay. So now, the tools can be used to push down cable, to push down solids on the board, to push down a lot of things in small spaces that where you cannot reach with your hands. Actually, they can be used for that. They can also be used to push cable into walls. They can be used actually to do that. So guys, next we are going to be looking at our cutting plier or our snipping plier. This is our snipping plier actually, guys. Wow, very flexible. Very flexible. Okay guys, there are a lot of blades actually on this. This is the reason for me I refer to it as a cutting plier. Yes, a hub is actually of a snipping pliers actually, but this help you in cutting lines, cutting cable. As you can see here, the different set of cutting cable. As you can see here, there are a lot of blades attached to this. You can cut smaller cable in this vacuum. You can cut cable that much larger than this in this vacuum. So guys, This is all for this so far. This is all for this so far. And back here is just the handle that you're going to handle it with. This is just the handle. How you're going to position your finger in it and press and cut, press and cut, press, let it in, cut, press, cut. That's all. So guys, lastly, we are going to be looking at these tools. This tools is similar to our push down tools. Actually, it's actually similar to our push down tools, but the tools is different from our push down tools because these tools have a blade that is also being used for stripping cable, for stripping copper string, for stripping a lot of different coppers out of their cord. So now, as you can see, this little space here is actually being used for stripping them. You can let it in per the size and then hold it out easily. Hold it out easily. The rubber is going to let it out. The rubber going to let it out. You press here to open it and then press back. Press back and hold it out. So guys, this is actually for this. This is one of the key differences that I have when it comes to the push down tools. And it is also being used for push down too. You can use this to push things down too. And you can also use it to clean a cable. So guys, thank you very much, and this is the last tools that we have in our set here. And do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Actually, we just did the unboxing of this our networking tools kit, and I hope you guys learned something from the video. If you have any comments, you have any doubt, trust me guys, leave it right in the comment section below, and we're going to reply to that comment. Actually, we're going to reply to it as soon as possible. This is one of the channels that usually reply to people comments in the same time. Within the course of an hour, you see the reply of the comments right back to you. So guys, thank you very much for watching this short YouTube video. I hope you guys learned something from it, and I hope you guys won't forget to hit the notification button to be notified whenever we drop any new video. Once again guys, this is our networking Omega Tools Kit 631500. That's the model number. Guys, you can check it out in the store, you can check it out anywhere, but guys, you will get this based on your location at time. You can get this for $25, you can get this for $50, you can get this for $60, you can get this for $75 based on your location. Actually, I should not give you my location price, and when you get in your location is different than you say the shop want to steal from you or the stationery want to steal from you. Guys, it won't be fair. But if you want my price, it is in the description below. You can check it out. So guys, thank you very much. See you in the next video.